So I basically joined this program because I'm originally from .NET and C# domain, and I wanted to switch to the Java domain, so there could not have been a better opportunity than this for me. This program has actually helped me to get to the level of people, like I'm seeing my colleagues, they are also from the Java domain, but I don't feel any less than like I'm any less prepared. The Think Next training is different from other industrial trainings is because not only we are getting the external mentors, but we are also getting the people who are currently working in the project, the leaders who are leading those projects, and the real-time problems. So they get us accustomed with the real-time problems. For example, we write queries, right, in SQL. Usually don't think about how it is, like whether it is efficient or not, and we won't know how to address such kind of problems. Here, by trainers who are actually working in the project, they will tell us how to write efficient queries and improve them, how to check their efficiencies. We also learned about design patterns, which is the common problem which can lead to, it can exponentially grow into worst problem if we are not thinking about the design patterns, proper design patterns. Those kind of problems were taught to us in the training, and it has helped me to cover that skill gap. How often it is that you get paid and also you get to learn at the same time, right? So yeah, as long as you are putting efforts and utilizing your time properly, this can be really a good thing for you. I have friends who are having 1 to 3 years of experience in the Java domain. I am from C# and .NET domain, but still I don't feel like I have any less knowledge. Of course, they are having the experience, they have faced the problems. If I face those problems in future, I have a strong base with which I can approach those problems. Because of the trainers and mentors who have actually experienced the real-time problems, this has definitely helped me improve my career growth, and I will definitely recommend this to anyone who looks to improve their career.